Lao Chen, how are you?
没事。
It's okay, it's just a nightmare. Ah, Lao Chen, you are here. Why did you see you here yesterday, did you? Hey bro, take the safety rope. Well, it seems that I have been walking on a recent case. Ha ha. I have been very self-conscious recently. Ha ha. What does the teacher say? Hey, navigation, you're coming and going. Hardhead. Okay, fasten the safety rope too. Hey, big brother, does the device need to be connected to a separate switch box? It shouldn't be connected to this extension. On the box, oops me. I have been an electrician for more than 10 years and I'll know if there's electricity with being direct like this. He touched it. Go, go! Hold it, teacher, wait a minute. It's okay. Maybe just a little tired, aren't you doing it? Nightmare. Yeah, maybe you're just too tired. Just get more rest. Okay? If you encounter something that can't be solved, it may not be here. How can there be a solution if you are so optimistic? What about the end? Sometimes it's just that we are too anxious and often where it really is the problem. Ominbara, she's ready. Hey, Lao Chen, you are here, Xiaoyang. You must be working. Pay attention to safety, okay? Okay, and don't be sloppy about any of the details. Okay, hey, okay. Hey, Master's unrequited love, don't be detected again. Hey, Master, slow down. Next time you climb the stairs, have someone to help you. Good teacher. Fu, put on your hard hat, okay? Hey, come here! Come here! You can't play a safety protection role like this. Rope 1. Be sure to tie it well in the future. When you arrive at the construction site, you have to fasten it for him, you know? Hey, shouldn't Brother Tai's separate equipment be connected to a separate switch box? Should take this diode box, oops. It's all right, hey. He's right. In order to avoid safety electrical equipment must be equipped with a switch box. The network cable must be repaired. Electricity. I am worried about electric shock. It is good to know. It is good to know. It is good to know.